my name is Esther. I'm studying a Bachelor of Nursing in the University of Canberra, Sydney Hills campus. I am born and raised in Sydney, but originally I am from Sierra Leone in West Africa. And I'm passionate about nursing because that's something I've always wanted to go into since I was young. I love the community and how welcoming everyone is. The information you receive coming in is very relevant and also helps you get started. You don't feel a little bit lost. And I like the multiculturalism and how there's many different people from diverse backgrounds and communities, and it makes you feel very welcome and comfortable. I've actually made quite a bit of friends in my first semester already, and it's nice because everyone can help each other. You build a community here and you're able to get support if you need that extra support. If you're thinking of applying to UC, I would say go for it. There's a lot of opportunities here, a lot of areas where you can grow in, and the environment is very welcoming, like I keep saying. I feel like this uni really dedicates towards nursing students and giving us the best outcome, and you'll definitely learn a lot here and you definitely will not regret it.